Hey everyone, welcome back to Tea and Talk English podcast. If you've ever tried learning English but felt stuck, frustrated, or just didn't know where to start, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to walk you through 10 powerful steps that will help you learn English effectively, confidently, and enjoyably. We'll go deep into each step with practical tips, real examples, and strategies you can use right away. So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's get started. Step one is clear goals. Every successful journey starts with a clear destination. Write your goal down on paper. Something like, I want to speak English fluently enough to have a 10-minute conversation by December. It's specific, realistic, and measurable, and that's the key. Step 2. Build a strong foundation. Now let's build the base of your English skills. Your foundation. When I first started learning Spanish, I jumped straight into watching TV shows. It was fun, but frustrating. I couldn't understand what was happening because I didn't know the basics like verb endings or sentence order. So take a few weeks to learn English structure. Understand how sentences are built. For example, I am eating. She likes coffee. They are working. Master the basics, then you can build fluency faster later on. Step 5. Learn vocabulary in context. You don't need to study 3 hours a day. You just need 15 minutes daily. That's because your brain learns better through repetition than through one long session. Try this mini routine. 5 minutes. Review vocabulary. 5 minutes. Listen to a short English clip. 5 minutes. Speak out loud or write a few sentences. That's it. 15 minutes a day can transform your English. Use habit stacking. Connect your English practice to an existing habit. For example, after breakfast, watch a short English video. Before bed, write 3 sentences in your English journal. Make it part of your life, not just a study session. Step 4. Surround yourself with English. To really learn English, you have to live in it, even if you're not in an English-speaking country. Here's how. Change your phone and social media language to English. Follow English-speaking YouTubers, TikTokers, and podcasters. Listen to English music and try to understand the lyrics. You'll start noticing patterns and phrases naturally. Mini exercise. Next time you watch Netflix, turn on English subtitles. Listen carefully. Pause and repeat lines that sound natural or interesting. Try to mimic the tone and rhythm. That's what language learners call shadowing, and it's incredibly effective. Step 5. Learn vocabulary in context. One of the biggest mistakes English learners make is memorizing endless word lists. It doesn't work. Words live inside sentences, not in isolation. For example, instead of just learning the word run, learn it like this. I run every morning. She runs a business. The movie is running late. Same word, different meanings. That's how native speakers think. Create word families. When you learn a new word, also note its synonyms, opposites, common expressions. So for happy, you could add joyful, cheerful, sad, the opposite, and feel happy about. This builds deep, flexible vocabulary knowledge. You can't learn to swim by reading about swimming. And you can't learn to speak English by just studying grammar. You have to speak. Even if you're alone, practice speaking out loud. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you're doing. I'm cooking dinner. Now I'm cleaning my room. If you can find a language partner, you can use free apps like Tandem, HelloTalk, or join Discord language servers. Speaking regularly helps build fluency and confidence. Remember, making mistakes is normal. In fact, mistakes are proof that you're learning. Step 7. Listen actively. Listening is often overlooked, but it's essential. Active listening means focusing not just on what is said, but how it's said. Listen to pronunciation, intonation, and emotion. Practical tip. Watch English YouTube videos or podcasts at 0.75x speed. It helps you catch every word clearly. Then, when you're ready, listen at normal speed again. Try dictation practice. Listen to a short audio clip and write down what you hear. Then check with subtitles or a transcript. This improves both listening and spelling. Step 8. Read and write. Reading and writing are your silent teachers. Reading builds your vocabulary naturally. You see how words fit into sentences. Writing helps you think in English. Start small. Read English children's books or short stories. Keep a daily journal in English. Write social media posts in English. For example, write about your day. Today I woke up late, but I still made it to work. I felt tired, but I learned a new English word, motivated. Then review it the next day and try to improve your sentences. If you make writing a habit, your grammar and vocabulary will grow automatically. Step 9. Learn grammar naturally. Grammar is important, but don't let it scare you. Instead of memorizing rules, observe them in real sentences. For example, you might notice, he goes, not he go. That's how your brain learns patterns, just like children do. When you read or watch something in English, pay attention to structure. Ask yourself, why did they use this tense? Why did they say a and not the? You'll start understanding grammar naturally through usage, not just textbooks. Step 10. Stay positive and patient. Finally, the most important step, your mindset. Learning English is not a one-day project. It's a journey. You'll have good days and frustrating ones. But remember this, every word you learn, every sentence you understand, every conversation you try is progress. There's a student I once taught who couldn't speak a single English sentence when she started. After 6 months of daily 15-minute practice, she could hold a full conversation confidently. She didn't give up, and neither should you. Be patient, be consistent. You are improving even if you can't see it yet. And that's it. The 10 steps to learning English effectively. Let's recap quickly. Set clear goals. Build a strong foundation. Practice every day. Surround yourself with English. Learn vocabulary and context. Practice speaking. Listen actively. Read and write. Learn grammar naturally. Stay positive and patient. If you follow these steps, your English will improve faster than you can imagine. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more learning tips, and share this with a friend who's learning English too. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is today. Keep learning, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next video.
Morning sunlight filters through the blinds. We settle in, hearts and curious minds. Porcelain mugs cradle words we share. Stories steeping in the rising air. Tea and talk where our worlds collide. Sip by sip we take the ride. Pour your thoughts into this space. Every voice finds its place. We wander through the highs and lows, unravel tales in quiet flows. Between the sips and whispered lines, we find our truths in steady times. Ooh, every pause is room to breathe. Confessions tucked in every leaf. A cup of warmth can heal a heart. Together here we're never apart. So join the circle, pull up a chair. Tea and talk will meet you there.